Hey, welcome back, guys. So my name's Anthony Chambers. I am a real estate agent here in California. And on this channel, I just talk about most things that have to do with real estate, typically California real estate. And today what we're going to talk about is, should you have professional photos for your home when you're putting it up for sale? So let's go ahead and talk about this. So should you have a professional photographer when you are selling your home? This is an important question that you're probably going to have with your listing agent, or a question you're going to come up with if you're going to be listing your home for yourself. And on this video, I'm just going to talk about my experience and my opinions on this particular matter. So be sure to chime in with the comments below if you see it another way or if you have a different experience. So should you have professional photos when you're selling your home? So my initial opinion on this is yes, absolutely. And the reason for this is the majority of home buyers start their search for homes on the internet. And at any given time, there are millions of homes for sale. So if your home doesn't have the right angle, the right picture, the right color, it is possible that a buyer just skips over your home because the pictures themselves didn't draw them in enough and strike their curiosity enough to come by and see your home. And that is the ultimate goal, is to get as many buyers in the door and as many qualified buyers to submit an offer on your home. And if you missed out on that one potential qualified buyer just because the pictures are a cell phone camera or low quality images to save a couple of bucks, then you might have just missed out on a lot of profit from your house. So again, overwhelming, yes, absolutely. You do need professional quality photos when you are listing your home. So what if you're selling your house by yourself and you don't want to pay the $200, $300, $400 for a professional photographer? What can you do? So a lot of times point and shoot cameras are pretty good. And if you have a good photo editor, or maybe you're good at photo editing, then you can adjust the pictures to make them vibrant and jump out at the viewer. Because again, the main thing you want to do is get their attention. And that way they have the opportunity and they take the time to come out and see your home that's for sale. So that's one way you can kind of get around that particular fee from paying a photographer to come by and take photos of your home. So the next thing I want to talk about is your real estate agent. So if you hire a full service listing agent, oftentimes the professional photography is going to be included with the listing agreement fee that you negotiated with the listing agent. So as you are interviewing different agents and you are kind of comparing them, that is one question that you want to ask them, is what types of photos are going to be used when you list my property. And then that listing agent can let you know that they're just going to go through and snap some pictures with their cell phone, or they'll let you know if they hire a professional photographer, or maybe they have a lot of experience with wide angle photography and they do all their photos themselves. So again, be sure to talk to your real estate agent about that, and they will let you know what they use in their marketing material. The last thing I want to talk about is just a couple of funny different stories. So as a real estate agent, I'm constantly looking at homes for sale, and you can definitely tell which photos are professional, which ones are not. And a lot of times the unprofessional photos are pretty hilarious. Sometimes you'll see the homeowner or the real estate agent in the reflection from the mirrors, or sometimes it will be a funny picture of a bathroom with just the toilet. Maybe their toilet hasn't been flushed yet. So by hiring a professional listing agent, or at least a professional photographer, these are things that you can avoid and give your home the best possible chance of getting in touch with a buyer, getting in front of as many eyeballs as possible. So again, yes, be sure that you use professional quality photos when you are listing your home. So again, what is your experience? Do you have something to add to this? Is there something I missed out on as far as having a professional photographer take care of the photos for your listing? Be sure to leave me a comment below. I'd like to know. And I hope you found the video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.